Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, and what we're going to be going over right now is question number 21 of the top 50 trick ALJ questions that you're likely to hear in your upcoming Social Security disability hearing. Let's go over them. Question 21, how old is your youngest child? Trick question. Okay, I think this trick question is really hilarious, and the reasoning for that is that basically the judge is asking, if you have physical impairments, how long ago was that you had sex or were able to perform some sort of sexual act, right? So if your child was not, adopted, you actually created the child, right? They're looking to see, okay, so if the child's 1 or 2 years old, maybe 3 years old within the alleged onset date period, then if you have back problems, hip problems, knee problems, leg problems, how were you able to go ahead and have this child? And this works both ways, both for the male and the female. How were you able to have the child for the female perspective as well? So I really like this question because it catches people that are total bull crapperoo artists, okay? Oh, I have really bad back pain. Oh, I have really bad, blah, 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 blah. Then the question becomes, okay, so if that's true, right, then how are you able to conceive a child, create a child, etc., during that period of time? Oh, I was so bad I couldn't move, I couldn't stand, I couldn't sit, I couldn't walk, but you could have sex? So that's a very interesting trick question. All right, I'm going to go through these quickly. That was question 21. If you have a question or want the most up-to-date information, that's fine. Shoot me an email or give me a call and we'll go from there. Also, as of the 9th Thursday of April, what's going to happen is you can call me at 8 p.m. on this phone, 407-279-1754, numbers on the thing somewhere. And I'll go ahead and answer it, and I'll run questions with you. I'm going to do that for about 2 hours. It's a prototype day, so if it doesn't go perfectly or something doesn't work, don't cry, don't flip out, because I won't care. I love you either way, but I won't care. So what we're going to do is, that's the 9th, Thursday, April, at 8 p.m., we're going to do that. All right, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm, but realistically we do all Florida and Georgia and other places as well. I'm going to fix the camera. It's a little a little cockeyed to the right, your left, and we'll do the next one, which will be question number 22, the top 50 ALJ trick questions. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and we'll go from there. Thank you. Bye-bye.